So, have been busy with Alice these days, and Awesome is another way for you can install Awesome with the AA or the Alice, basically with the Alice scripts, right? Changing a little bit the code, and you have your own installer. So you have load keys that I need to do always. Latin 1, fine, CD, and then we go inside Alice dev. I was a bit too soon, which is okay, which means that I can start this, no problem. Everything is now from the internet, but what I'm gonna check for sure, so no, don't install anything. Nano, did I change the alice.conf? Did I put it online? I don't know, so I go check again, and I see that here it is. So desktop environment, line 140. Let's see if I can make this bigger. I can't. No. So everywhere an exclamation mark, and Qtile was the last thing I made a video about, but it did not change it online. So Awesome is next, and while we're at it, I just saw something up there that maybe will interest somebody as well. So we're on VirtualBox SDA line 31. It's okay, device, but maybe you like ButterFS. Why not? Why not? And then maybe the kernel Linux LTS. Often, if people run into trouble with wireless adapters or anything like it, we often say go to Linux LTS and check. So that's this. I go to Linux LTS, and then I'll see alice.sh. That's how we start now. And yes, please follow whatever's inside the configuration and execute. And now you can walk away and later come back to an installed system. Now, any of the tiling window managers, yeah, they're always so minimal, right? If you do an installation, an ArcoLinux installation in phase 7, I think it is, on arcolinxd.com, doesn't matter the number, but you go through the phases and you are in a black screen, and you see that you end again in a black screen. So you have ArcoLinux, you install Xorg server, you choose Qtile, you choose i3, and i3 we've got a bar at the bottom. Yay, we've got a bar. Often we end up in a black screen, like LeftWN was, and so on and so on. So with all these tiling window managers, it's a little bit more tricky, but it's possible, right? It's possible. If I can do it, you can do it. Let that be the slogan. Here it is, Linux LTS, Linux LTS headers. Yay, we've got it, right? Follow the code, see what happens. And sometimes you make a typo and then the system halts and they say, wow, why it's stopping? Ah, yeah, that doesn't exist. I wanted to install an application that's not available, and boom, everything breaks. So following the code, even though it's already the 30 times, maybe 40 times that I've installed AA on Real Metal, VirtualBox, VMware, QEMU. Too much fun. But last one for today. Packages from AOR, Inksy, Sublime Text, and JBinnen. And that's it. that's what we like to see. The normal look is a countdown. Previous video in Qtel we saw kind of, I don't know, text. So the prompt was there, but it was installed anyway. So just sudo reboot and check it out. Voila. Ooh, nice, right? LTS, Zen, hardened, they've all been tested. LightTM is present. Hi LightTM, thank you very much for being there. All right, see previous videos. Open terminal, that's the only thing that's working, right? All the rest, it's entirely up to you to figure out all these other things, quit and so on, edit config. That's still okay. I mean, it's nano or is it something else? Yeah, it's nano. Oof, not Vim. But here it is, some code. It's located in etc xdg awesome rc lua. Shouldn't be there, it should be in .config awesome rc lua. So make your own configuration in your own home directory. But it's entirely up to you what you do from here. And we can drag this guy along and then sudo pacman -s neofetch off when I do that, because it shows you all the questions that people might ask later on. We're on Arch, VirtualBox, LTS, 1 minute, 370 packages. How minimal is that, right? 159 megabytes of RAM. But of course, we've got nothing yet, right? There's nothing, network manager, and there's really not much installed yet, but that's the fun. Now it's up to you to make this a beautiful operating system, desktop, tiling window manager, operating system. All right, cheers.